Hello viewers, this is Co-City company. As you can see this size is size 200 blocks. It produces capacity 200 blocks. This double will be installed, delivered and installed at Lagos, Lekki. We do installation nationwide. In any state: Abuja, Lagos, Osun State, Ogun, Benue, Calabar, Anambra, Imo, Port Harcourt, etc. Different states in Nigeria. This one now they go Lagos. A driver will they wait. These two now. This one now. This one now size 60 blocks. It gives you 60 blocks, 60 capacity. This one size 60. This one is 12 hours type. The other one is 12 hours type. Then we build 8 hours type one. We build 8 hours type. It depends on the type you need. Their prices are different. You just WhatsApp us and call us on 080 66 299 127. Installation nationwide. Call us on 080 66 299 127. We build and install it for you in any state. Deliver and installation. You can WhatsApp the number 080 66 299 127. Thank you.